Hello, Sabadi. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nali. Today I want to show you how I make buoloy. And buoloy just means floating lotus. It's mochi ball in sweet coconut milk. This is a very simple dessert to make. Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Glutinous rice flour, a tablespoon of tapioca starch, a cup of water plus a tablespoon of water, and food coloring of your choice. I have pink one and yellow one. A cup of glutinous rice flour in each bowl, and a tablespoon of tapioca starch in each bowl. And just whisk that up really quick. Just make sure it's all mixed together. And then add in your half cup of water plus the extra tablespoon of water. Just go ahead and mix it until that becomes like a soft dough. You want to do the same for the other side. Half cup of water plus a tablespoon of water. Once our dough is finished, go ahead and add in the coloring. Here's the yellow food coloring I added. Mix it really good until the yellow shows up. See how soft and the dough is and the yellow is popping out? You want to do the same for the pink one. Go ahead and add your pink food coloring and just mix it up. Okay, see that? We got our yellow and our pink dough ready. I'm using the big trays and I'm just putting the flour on there so when I roll the ball, it doesn't stick. So you just go ahead and roll the ball on the palm of your hand, circular motion, just like that. I still can't believe how easy this Thai dessert is to make. I mean, just like what, 3 ingredients? After watching this video till the end, I hope you really do give it a try. Let's get our pot of water ready. Go ahead and turn on the heat on medium. Once that's hot enough, go ahead and add in the lotus ball. The only way I could tell when the lotus ball is ready is when it floats up. I think that's why they call this buoloy, floating lotus. Okay, once all the ball floats up, then that's when I know it's done. I went ahead and shut off the stove. Now I'm just going to cool down the lotus in an ice bath. If I don't do this, the ball will stick together. We could set that aside and let's start the pot with the coconut milk. I have on medium heat. I'm going to add in 1 can of the coconut milk. I'm just going to fill that can with water and then just add it into the pot also. If you like your coconut more thick, then just add in half cup of water. And then you want to add in your salt, half cup of sugar. If you like it less sweet, add less. If you like it more sweet, add more sugar. I have the vanilla extract or vanilla flavoring, And I also have the pandan flavoring. Guess which one I'm adding? Yep, the pandan flavoring. Pandan to me is just like your vanilla extract to you. I do like adding vanilla flavoring. It just depends on my mood for that day, what I want. Once our coconut milk is boiling hot like that, go ahead and add in the lotus ball. I know when this is ready, when you see that, the ball keeps on floating up. Yep, when they all float up, that's when I know it's all ready. That's why they call it buoloy, floating lotus. Once that's done, I went ahead and shut off the stove. Look how pretty it is. Don't forget, you could use whatever food coloring you want. If you guys like the video, please hit like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.